Hey guys, welcome back. This is DK and you're watching Learn English with DK. Today I'm going to only practice on infinitive verb to have. So one by one I translate in sentences and I try to give you my best. So first of all, my name is Dilshad Ali and you're watching Learn English with DK YouTube channel. So if you want to improve our English speaking, then you must subscribe the channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and watch till the end. Guys, today my practice video number 5. This is the day number 5 and regularly before I will also created 4 video and very useful for you, so you can watch. After watching this video, then you will search and then you will open my playlist and you can also watch that video. So one by one I will practice on infinitive with verb to have. Firstly, I have to speak and I have to eat and I have to drink and I have to also learn and I have to study and I have to meet you, and he has to speak and he has to talk with me and he has to talk with you and he has to talk with each other and he has to speak always and he has to practice English every day, and Ram has to speak English and Sham has to talking with any people without any hesitation in English, and Sham have a lot of knowledge about English and I have to speak English. If I have improved my English speaking, then I will have to speak regularly without any humble, without any hesitation, and I have confidence and I have to teach you and I have to teach my audience and I have to suggest you how can improve our English speaking, and I have also knowledge how can improve English speaking, and they have to speak English, they has to go on there, they has to go there, they has to meet him, they has to speak English, and we all person involved in this participation, and we have to speak English and we have to go there and we have to come here and we have to going to market and he have to go to school and I have to go to market and I have to go to big city to purchase new thing, and I want to buy a new cell phone because I have money. Then I will explain with my family, and I have to improve my English speaking day by day, and I have to go there and I have to come here and I have to explain you and I have to teach you. Thank you for watching my video, and this is the this video totally all about practice, and this video will be improve our English speaking if you listen carefully. So in my point of view, my English is also weak. If I will regularly and with consistency speak whatever comes in my mind, just 1 and 2 months after I will be speak and I will be able to speak English fluently without any hesitation, without any humble. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care, guys.